Okay, so hey guys, I'm going to be able to show you how to do an optical illusion of how to technically become invisible. So, you have to download this app called Stop Motion because you have everything here on the sides and right here, up here. So you have to download this app and it's only for $5. And how to become invisible for $5? So, yeah. So first, you have to take a picture in the Stop Motion app without your finger in the way. Actually, you can't exactly be in the picture. You have to take it. Okay, so now the picture is taken. Now we lower this thing right here. Boom, you can see through me. Isn't this cool? Woo, ooh. And then you can turn it all the way down. So you could cut out everything on the side. So let me make me slightly noticeable. Here I am. So let's say I take a picture of this here. So look what happens if I move it. See that? There's multiple blankets and multiple beds and multiple everything. So make this perfect. So first we take a new photo. Take a new photo obviously without me in it. Okay, now it's back to normal. And then, so let's say if I put this right here, it looks invisible, right? Because it wasn't in the previous picture. So what I can do is that I can take a picture, and now he's not see-through anymore. Except look what happens if I pick him up. See, there's two of him. Now there's two of him. Good, Yoshi. But if I take another one, boom, I'm see-through. And so everything that wasn't in the previous picture is now invisible. For example, this cable is now see-through. And this Yoshi plush is see-through. These rocks are see-through. This cable is see-through. The screwdriver is see-through. Well, it already is. But you get the point. I can wear a hat. The hat is also see-through. This stand right here with Duffy and Sadie. Invisible. So, yeah. So, pretty much get the point. How to become invisible with a visual effect for only $5. This is crazy. Except my iPad was not in the previous shot, so I can take it right here, and nothing's changed. And I can actually still see through the iPad even though it's on. I'll type in my password here. But what happens if you look at the camera? I mean, like, yeah, it's the same, but still. I can still see through it. Ain't that something? Alright, so now let me explain. See? If I mess this up, I'll no longer look the same. Except this wasn't in the previous shot. But, yeah, so that's how you become invisible with an optical illusion. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.